Hello, my name is Abby. I will be discussing feedback and feed forward of the position I currently hold, which is volunteer coordinator at my church over the greeter team. I have held this position for about 6 months now. I have volunteered with the church for almost 4 years. First thing I did was look at the feedback I've received from my supervisor and from my coworkers. Right here you can see all the numbers are fairly high. I believe the church must utilize some feedback training. I have had 3 different supervisors now, and they have all been excellent in giving just optimal feedback. Really, every time I have left feeling better about myself and about the job that I am doing. I've never felt torn down. Even with my coworkers, you can see the numbers are fairly high. The one number that was not quite as high on either is source availability. My supervisor is not available on Mondays, and so I just know if I text her on a Monday or try to call her, I will not hear back from her until Tuesday. Coworker average is a good bit lower. That is because we are all volunteers in a volunteer position, so we all have real lives, and sometimes it's just hard getting everybody together or even getting a hold of them, especially on a weekday. We mostly see each other on weekends. Now I will be giving feedback as supervisor of myself. Abby, hey! Thank you for agreeing to meet with me via video conference for your semi-annual review. As you know, you took over this team about 6 months ago, and we set some goals then. We have been very pleased overall with your performance. Our 2 biggest goals were to create team cohesiveness, unity, and to develop a system of organization for volunteer schedules. Both of those have, first off, the team unity. We believe that your enthusiasm for the team, kind of your cheerleading, has really rubbed off on them. We've seen big changes in their attitudes as they're volunteering and with each other, and so definite win on that one. As for the system of organization, you came in and instead of having them volunteer every single week, you split the team into 2 so that they're only volunteering every other week. We were not certain how that would work at first, but it really has been excellent. We've had an increase of the number of volunteers showing up each Sunday, which is awesome. One goal we set was to grow the team, and as you know, that has not yet happened. In fact, when we did our semi-annual volunteer renewals, we saw a slight decrease. We need to figure out exactly what happened there, why we had some people fail to renew, and we need to set some goals, some objectives that to how we can increase this team. We need, as you know, about 15 to 20 more volunteers to optimally operate this team. I would love to get together with you next week sometime to figure out what happened, where the little disconnect was, why these volunteers backed off from renewing, and figure out how we can grow this team, grow our volunteers so that we can operate optimally. Overall, we are very pleased with your performance. Feed forward. Abby, hey, just wanted to give you some quick feedback. Yesterday, as you know, we had a special event on campus and your team just killed it. They were there everywhere we needed them to be, doing exactly whatever it was whenever, good attitudes. They were great. That, as you know, was not the case 6 months ago. And so we really feel that your enthusiasm for this team has really rubbed off. It's been great. One thing we've noticed is with about 15 or 20 more volunteers, we can really optimize this team, operate at full capacity. And so I would love to sit down with you and figure out some objectives of how we can grow this team. Let's make that our goal for the upcoming quarter. Let's try to grow the team. Additionally, I would like to grow our leaders on the team. As you know, right now you have 2 leaders. I believe with 4 we could operate at our best. Let's get together sometime in the next couple days to discuss some objectives, some plans of action so that we can grow the team and grow our leaders. I will talk to you in a couple days.